everyone and welcome back to another Harry Potter video. A while back I posted a Harry Potter subscription box unboxing video and I was very tempted to get the special edition box, which was a little bit more expensive but had more stuff in it, and I did it. And you know what? I'm not mad at myself. I've been so excited for this to come yet again, so let's just get straight into the box and see what we've got in it. Oh my gosh. So I've got it from Geek Gear again, and it is definitely bigger this time. So this is what I can see initially. I can see two pieces of clothing in here. I did change my sizing to a large unisex one because last time I got a medium women's, I think, and I just thought I'd prefer it to be oversized. Oh my god, I got extra large. Shite. This is the first top. It's a long sleeve top and it says no ink required. It looks like it's the quill that Professor Umbridge used, so yeah, definitely no ink required because it just carves it into their skin. So the next thing I can see is this box. It doesn't have any writing on it yet again, but it looks like it might be something to do with Owlpost. Oh my god, this is cute. It looks like an ornament or some sort of paperweight, although if it is a paperweight, it's probably not heavy enough, so I'm guessing it's just an ornament, but it's really cute. It's just this owl here who's got a bit of Owlpost in his mouth and he's sitting on some books. I also actually really love the little boxes and the packaging that everything comes with because it always has something to do with the ornament on the front, and it's just, I think it's just a cute little box, you know? I got a mug! I think there's a mug in here. Why am I so happy about a mug? Oh, it looks like a proper Harry Potter one. It's got some thestrals on it, and it says, thestrals are only visible by those who have seen death. Oh, wow, that is nice because it's got the black inside as well. Yeah, we like. And I actually got this box in a Black Friday sale, so it's meant to be like £45 or something, which even then is really good value. I got it for like £30 in the Black Friday sale, so I got a bargain there. I don't know what to open next. Okay. Ooh. I think I got a wand. I got a freaking Harry Potter wand. Oh my god. Okay, it says unique trademark wands. So this is a divination wand. The length is 13 3/4 inches. The core is moonstone. Oh my god, this actually looks really cute. And the wood is white ash. This is that. Do you know what? These boxes are turning me into a bigger Harry Potter nerd than I actually am. I'm going to be one of those people that walk around in like an actual cave. How cute is that? I'm sorry, it's got all the little moon phases along here and it's blue, my favourite colour. Oh wow. My sister's going to take the mick out of me so much, but I'm keeping that, I don't care. Ooh, oh, it looks like a Harry Potter poster. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. That's a really cool poster actually. Oh, Ron. This is a nice poster. Let's look at this t-shirt next. P.S. The bird bites. Cute. I'm going to wear this all the time. And this actually doesn't look like a bad size either. It's going to be super baggy, but I'm just going to live in it and I can't wait. And the last thing in here is this. Again, it's the proper Wizarding World. Oh my gosh. It's a 2021 diary. Guys, this is so nice. What the heck? Oh my gosh, you can't see how nice it is from there, but look, it says when it's out, go to the library, which I'll be doing a lot in 2021 because I'm in my third year of uni at the moment. Feels like such a good quality. It's got these gold details. On the back, it's got the Hogwarts crest. And then you open it up, and that is just so nice. This is gonna come in good use in 2021. And that is it. I'm not gonna lie. I got through that so fast. But I'm really happy with everything I got, and it's stuff that I'm actually going to use often, like the mug, t-shirts, the wand, I'm going to go around, casting spells on people. So there you have it, guys. That is the Special Edition Geek Gear Wizardry Box, and let me know what you think about that in the comments below. If you guys have any other ideas of subscription boxes that I should try, even if it's not Harry Potter related in the slightest, please let me know, because I love just coming home to a box full of like fun little gifts, or even if it's a snacks one or anything like that. Just let me know down below and we'll see. I might be able to try it if I can afford it. And also let me know what your favourite thing that I got in this box was. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like or subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon in 2021.